Nakakakita kami ng rigging ng bidding process. No? Yung A, B, C, D, E, F, G na yan, nakipag-bid sila, kahit na sino manalo doon, kanila pa rin. Positive ang aming trabaho for the people, positive for the people ng ating mamamayan, na galit na sa corruption. No, may nakita na kami ng mga, meron tayong magandang kaso against yung personalities involved. DPH officer, DPWH officer, and contractors. Also, we have already coordinated with the Securities and Exchange Commission, checking the board of directors of all the 15 contractors na binanggit ng ating Pangulo. So, eto na naman, hindi ko pa masasabi sa inyo na in detail, but then, initially, we found that some of these contractors, at least 7 of them or 8 of them, have interlocking directors. Alam nyo ibig sabihin nun, yung sabihin natin, wag na tayong magbanggit ng pangalan ng contractor, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E contractors have the same sets of officers. So, talagang